Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Garnier SkinActive Moisture Rescue Face Moisturizer Normal Combo 1.7 ounces. My go-to moisturizer. It has a cooling effect and it's the only moisturizer that doesn't break me out. It also doesn't have any SPF, so if you wear it during the day you'll probably want to wear a foundation with SPF or a separate sun protection product. This product is amazing. It truly works well for all skin types. My skin is drastic combo and it left my face feeling dewy without being over oily. Smooth skin, clears complexion a bit. Of course you need to manage your diet and drink lots of water also, but it helps. This helps my skin stay hydrated and it's oil-free, doesn't make my makeup clumpy, and helps me maintain my glow. My only wish is that it had some SPF in it, but it is a good product that does exactly what it says. Me encantaría es la segunda vez que la pido, tiene un tamaño pequeño pero rinde bastante. La piel se siente fresca y hidratada y no deja sensación grasosa. Fantastic in the spring-summer months when skin can be oily or sweaty, sticky, not quite moisturizing enough in the harsh dry winter months. My sensitive combo skin absolutely loves this moisturizer. It works all day long and is not greasy, nor does it leave a shine. It is perfect for my skin and it became my favorite cream. Does not block the pores and moisturizes, leaving skin very silky, non-greasy. It also does not create a greasy layer but rather absorbs in and give a nice amount of moisture to the skin all day long. Don't expect this to take over some 50 product, but for what you pay my face feels a noticeable difference and feels softer and hydrated. Finally, a great face cream that provides great moisture without a greasy feeling like some other products, and it smells very good. This moisturizer feels cool on your skin and dries quickly, which makes it my favorite morning moisturizer to put on right before primer. When you first apply you may look a bit on the shiny side, but overall this product leaves my face feeling moisturized and refreshed. But if your skin is already oily, make sure to give it a little rinse later in the day to help fight the greasy stuff. GD tried all the brands out there and lucked into the Garnier product and has been very pleased. For reference, she's a lightly competed Asian skin tone. Whether you're wearing makeup or not, this Garnier product is perfect day or night to keep your skin feeling clean and fresh. My face feels so smooth and silky after a few minutes of applying it. The cost is great for a product so great. It feels wonderful right as you put it on but doesn't last more than 10 minutes, so you may have to reapply once more depending on your skin type. Like its counterpart, the lightweight texture feels almost like water and immediately soaks into the skin. However, the dry skin formula is far more effective. Not to say that's a bad thing anyway. This one is a light, fresh, somewhat tingly gel when first applied that absorbs quickly to a non-greasy, not too shiny finish. The chlorine makes my skin dry and stiff, but this cream is terrific as it softens and makes my skin feel moist. The cream is more gel-like, cooling and non-scented, so you don't have to worry about any off-putting smells. It keeps the grease at bay most of the time, and most importantly, it doesn't break me out like some cream moisturizers do. It feels cool on the skin and is light and moisturizing yet not drying and doesn't make your skin feel greasy. This gel is great. It doesn't dry out my cheeks, but it keeps my forehead and chin from looking oily. It seems unbelievable that a drugstore brand moisturizer could work so well, but it's soothing and softening without increasing oil. It smells good. It feels super light and cooling. It's affordable and it has helped my skin so much. It provides a nice fresh feeling moisture to my face without turning me into a grease ball later in the day. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.